How I navigate Blue Letter Bible on my phone to do word studies. First, I click on the Blue Letter Bible app on my phone. Click on OT for Old Testament and then Genesis. Then click 2 for chapter 2. Now I have the verse highlighted that I clicked on, and I want to study the word naked a little bit further to see what it really was. Click interlinear and then it will bring up the Hebrew word and you'll see it on the right. As you see, it's probably what we thought it was in the first place. Now, let's try Genesis 3 and the word subtle. We'll do the whole same process. Click interlinear and it will bring up the Hebrew word on the right. Now, we also can try to search by using the little magnifying glass on the left-hand corner. Type in the word subtle. That is one way of doing it. There's plenty of things you can do in Blue Letter Bible like highlight. But if you want to do the old-fashioned way, let's just use a Strong's Concordance. Let's look up the word Easter in the front of the book, like a dictionary. Now the numbers to the right of the scriptures that show up for the word Easter will be either Greek or Hebrew. We will use the Greek because it was Acts 12. To the right of those scriptures is a number. You will look in the Hebrew section of the Strong's Concordance to find out the Hebrew root word that this all came from. It was so interesting to find out that the word Easter is not even in the Bible. And when they try to say that it is, when you look up in the Strong's Concordance, you'll see it's under Acts 12:4, but it leads you only to Passover. If you already knew this process, I hope that it encourages you to dive back in and do root word studies if you have not been. And if you did not know how to do this, I encourage you, when you're reading your Bible, if a word sticks out to you, to try this process. And I really hope it helps. Be blessed. Well, P.S. I would like to ask you if you noticed anything about the two words that I studied in the beginning of the Bible study. It was quite fascinating to find out that the word subtle and the word naked ended up having the same spelling for a Hebrew word.